How to fix YouTube profile picture not changing. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch your YouTube. Now navigate to your profile page. For that, click on the option you given at the bottom right corner. Once you're in this page, now what you have to do is click on your profile page. You'll be directed to this page. Now here you're gonna find your profile picture. You have to click on that camera option. You'll get these options to update photo, take a photo or choose from your photos. In case you are not getting this option, what you can do is first update your YouTube app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, then search for the app YouTube. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, if you are using any of the browser for your YouTube, such as Chrome, you have to clear browsing data on it. For that, launch your Chrome browser, then click on three dots given at the top right corner or bottom right corner. Then navigate to the option Delete Browsing Data. Check in for all these options: browsing history, cookies, site data, cache images and files, and click on Delete Browsing Data. Click on Delete Browsing Data. With this, your problem might be fixed. You'll be able to change your YouTube profile picture. Next thing you want to do is use a different device or browser. Try changing your profile picture using a different browser such as Firefox, Edge or Safari. Or you can also use different device. Likewise, next thing you want to do is log out of your YouTube app and again log in back. With this solution, you'll be able to change your profile picture on YouTube. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.